Top of the hour, let's get you exactly when it comes to drawing flack from the statement that came in from the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who took a dig at Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath over the ongoing Mahakumbh. Mamata Banerjee said that the spiritual and this religious gathering in Prayagraj has turned into Mrityu Kumbh. Now, the West Bengal Chief Minister claimed that there is disparity in the arrangements that have been made for the devotees at the Mahakumbh and that the administration lacked proper planning. Listen in.
মহাকুম্ভ আমি নাইবা বললাম, ওটা এখন মৃত্যু কুম্ভ হয়ে গেছে, মৃত্যু কূপের মতো। আমি মহাকুম্ভকে সম্মান করি, আমি শ্রদ্ধা জানাই। বড় লোক আর ভিআইপিদের জন্য লক্ষ টাকার ক্যাম্প, আর গরিব লোকেদের, সাধারণ লোকেদের জন্য লাইনে দাঁড়ান 15 ঘন্টা 20 ঘন্টা দাঁড়িয়ে, যদি একটা মাদুরেও বসে 2000 টাকা, এক কাপ লাল চাও 500 থেকে 2000 টাকা। তারা যে জায়গাটা গিয়ে স্নান করবে সেটা আলাদা, ভিআইপিদের স্নানের জায়গাটা আলাদা। আর সেই জলটা আপনারা দূষিত করেছেন, বিষাক্ত করেছেন মহাকুম্ভের পবিত্র জায়গাটা। সব জায়গায় হাত তুলে দিয়েছে। সে একবার হয়েছিল না, গণেশ দুধ খাচ্ছে, সব ওখানে স্নান করো নাহলে পবিত্র হবে না। মৃতদেহের ওপর দিয়ে যারা এই হাইপ তুলছেন আর টাকা কামানোর জন্য ধর্মকে বিক্রি করছেন, তাদের আমি মন থেকে মেনে নিতে পারি না। একটা বড় অনুষ্ঠানের স্ট্যাম্পেড হতেই পারে, কিন্তু তার জন্য প্ল্যানিং করতে হবে। কি প্ল্যানিং করেছিলেন আপনারা? মহাকুম্ভ শুরু হওয়ার দিন পর্যন্ত কোনো প্ল্যানিং হয়নি।
After Mamata Banerjee comes Akhilesh Yadav of the Samajwadi Party, has also backed the statement, saying that citing the loss of lives at the Mahakumbh stampede, Akhilesh Yadav goes on to justify Mamata Banerjee's statement.
नहीं, मुख्यमंत्री वेस्ट बंगाल ने ठीक कहा है, क्योंकि जब उनके यहाँ के बंगाल के लोग जिनकी जान गई है, कुंभ में आए थे, श्रद्धालु आए थे, सरकार ने ना मुआवजा दिया उनको, न सही गिनती बताई। और आज भी सरकार जो गिन रही है, सुनने में आ रहा है कि अब तो बहुत बड़ी गिनती बता दी है, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि आज की तारीख में अगर हम जानकारी करें, जो प्रयागराज के लोग, हमारे संपर्क में लोग हैं, वो बता रहे हैं कि लगभग 75 करोड़ लोगों ने स्नान कर लिया होगा, और अभी लगातार लोग आ रहे हैं, और जब तक मेला खत्म होगा तब तक मैं समझता हूँ 90 करोड़ लोग स्नान कर लेंगे। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी जानबूझ करके आंकड़े छिपा रही है।
Well, Adeep and Ritik joining us live right now. Adeep, we have seen as far as the demand that has been consisted on part of the opposition Samajwadi Party, because there Akhilesh Yadav seems to be seconding what Mamata Banerjee is saying, and we saw it yesterday in the assembly too, how the Samajwadi Party, both outside and inside, were protesting.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, from the day one, even before the Mahakumbh started, it was the Samajwadi Party who were raising allegations on the mismanagement in Mahakumbh. And now Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav has supported the statement given by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Akhilesh Yadav says that yes, what she has said is right. In fact, the people, those who lost life of the West Bengal, the government did not give any kind of compensation. They did not give the actual number of deaths, those people who have lost their lives. So this is how Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav is backing the statement of Mamata Banerjee on Mahakumbh, where Mamata Banerjee said that Mahakumbh has turned into a Mrityu Kumbh, while we have BJP leaders who are saying that both Mamata Banerjee and Akhilesh Yadav should apologize for their statements from day one. They are insulting Mahakumbh. In fact, the senior BJP leader like Keshav Prasad Maurya, they are saying that it's Mamata Banerjee and Akhilesh Yadav who are not just insulting Mahakumbh, but they are also insulting the Hindu religion, Amita.
All right, so subscribing to the statement that was made by Mamata Banerjee, as she termed the Mahakumbh that has now turned into a Mrityu Kumbh, according to her, is now being justified also by the Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav. Listen in.
नहीं, मुख्यमंत्री वेस्ट बंगाल ने ठीक कहा है, क्योंकि जब उनके यहाँ के बंगाल के लोग जिनकी जान गई है, कुंभ में आए थे, श्रद्धालु आए थे, सरकार ने ना मुआवजा दिया उनको, न सही गिनती बताई। और आज भी सरकार जो गिन रही है, सुनने में आ रहा है कि अब तो बहुत बड़ी गिनती बता दी है, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि आज की तारीख में अगर हम जानकारी करें, जो प्रयागराज के लोग, हमारे संपर्क में लोग हैं, वो बता रहे हैं कि लगभग 75 करोड़ लोगों ने स्नान कर लिया होगा और अभी लगातार लोग आ रहे हैं। और जब तक मेला खत्म होगा तब तक मैं समझता हूँ 90 करोड़ लोग स्नान कर लेंगे। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी जानबूझ करके आंकड़े छिपा रही है।
Well, Ritik, if, Akhilesh Yadav says that around 90 crore people by the time the Mahakumbh ends would have taken the holy dip or the snan there, that means that there would be some arrangements for them so that they can come over to Prayagraj and participate in the Kumbh festivities. Now, to draw a comparison and call it as Mrityu Kumbh, we are looking at not just only Akhilesh Yadav who has come out in support, but there are many who are criticizing Mamata Banerjee's statement.
See, Mamata Banerjee referring Mahakumbh with Mrityu Kumbh has an immense repercussion in the politics of Bengal. As you saw yesterday that the BJP protested outside of the assembly, and they, saw a stormy session yesterday. And what we are given to understand, tomorrow is the day when the leader of the opposition and other BJP MLAs, they have decided to hit the street over Mamata's remark, and this particularly over Mrityu Kumbh jibe. Mamata leveled serious allegation. There were no preparedness for such huge crowd to be gathered for Mahakumbh. She also said the people who died in the stampede that had happened in Mahakumbh, who belongs to Bengal, the bodies were sent back to their home without the autopsy being done. So it's a very serious allegations, particularly being leveled by Mamata Banerjee against UP government and the Chief Minister. But BJP is claiming that Mamata tried to demean or dishonor the Mahakumbh festivity, which is why they have decided to take this politics further. And tomorrow is the day when Shubhendu Adhikari will hit the street with sadhus over here. We are being told from the BJP sources that the many Hindu Sangathan are expected to join tomorrow's rally, which is going to happen at the doorstep of the same state assembly where from we are bringing this live broadcast. So a lot of politics and drama is expected.
So the BJP there to hold
BJP
protest, as Ritik is getting us the information, many of them have also severely criticized the statement that has been made by the West Bengal Chief Minister. The BJP there calling out the India bloc for repeatedly assaulting the Sanatan Dharma and the faith of the Hindu community, saying that this is nothing but hurting the astha of millions of Hindu bhakts.
देश का ये लगातार सनातन पर प्रहार करने से बाज नहीं आता है, लेकिन सनातन इस वक्त तो सनातन किस प्रकार से उभर रहा है देश में। अब सनातन उमड़ कर जो आ रहा है तो विपक्षी पार्टियों की उससे नींद हराम हो रही है।
Shukanta Majumdar is connected with us. The BJP in West Bengal also leading the protest. But Mr. Majumdar, what Mamata Banerjee said is also being supported by Akhilesh Yadav.
No, see, Akhilesh Yadav and Mamata Banerjee, they are the sides of the same coin, both sides of the same coin, two sides of the same coin. And they both are targeting the appeasement politics, and this is an instance how Mamata Banerjee and as well as people like Mr. Yadav appeases their vote bank. Mamata Banerjee used that kind of derogative word for Kumbh because she wants to appease the Muslim vote bank of West Bengal as the assembly election coming. Because in 2021 also, if you analyze the voting pattern of the state of West Bengal, the Muslims mostly voted for the Mamata Banerjee. More than 90% Muslim voted for the Mamata Banerjee. So that's why Mamata Banerjee is targeting her vote bank. So that's why Mamata Banerjee used such kind of derogative words, and it is not acceptable. She should ask for forgiveness to the whole country, to the Hindus of this world.
How is the BJP taking up the issue politically in West Bengal?
We will demonstrate even today. We will demonstrate against this derogative use of this kind of derogative words, and it is not accepted for us. We will keep agitating against this kind of statements.
All right. Mr. Majumdar, thank you very much for connecting with us. So that is the BJP saying in West Bengal they will continue their protest, saying that this is nothing but vote bank politics, that the opposition political parties like the TMC and the Samajwadi Party, calling it as the two sides of the same coin, that Akhilesh Yadav seems to be seconding now what Mamata Banerjee has drawn the comparison between Mahakumbh, where she labeled it as Mrityu Kumbh, and Akhilesh Yadav says that there is nothing in wrong what the Bengal Chief Minister said.
नहीं, मुख्यमंत्री वेस्ट बंगाल ने ठीक कहा है, क्योंकि जब उनके यहाँ के बंगाल के लोग जिनकी जान गई है, कुंभ में आए थे, श्रद्धालु आए थे, सरकार ने ना मुआवजा दिया उनको, न सही गिनती बताई, और आज भी सरकार जो गिन रही है, सुनने में आ रहा है कि अब तो बहुत बड़ी गिनती बता दी है, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि आज की तारीख में अगर हम जानकारी करें, जो प्रयागराज के लोग हमारे संपर्क में लोग हैं वो बता रहे हैं कि लगभग 75 करोड़ लोगों ने स्नान कर लिया होगा, और अभी लगातार लोग आ रहे हैं, और जब तक मेला खत्म होगा तब तक मैं समझता हूं 90 करोड़ लोग स्नान कर लेंगे। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी जानबूझ करके आंकड़े छिपा रही है।